Making this paper from this plant.
Oh,
You know the name of this plant?
papyrus?
Papyrus. You know paper.
Yes, sir.
You know paper came from papyrus?
Yes.
This is the first time you hear this.
Yeah.
This plant is the first plant in the whole history converted to be a paper.
Yeah.
This plant only grow in Egypt in the river Nile banks, 3 meters high. How to make the paper from plant? The first step, we cut the step. Big, medium, small size. Then we remove green cover. White part we cut into slices. This is wheat, because inside sugar and water. To remove water we use rolling bench. Then we put the slices in water again. 6 days if we need white paper. 12 days if I needed dark paper. After this period of times, we put slices, vertical and horizontal, looks like weaving. Under press, we put slices for 6 more days. 6 days, 6 days. After 12 days, this is the last result. We will get a sheet of paper like this. This paper, brothers, is the first paper in the history. In Egypt, this paper called heart of Egypt or gold of Egypt, because only place all over the world you can get this paper from here. We have silver, gold, clothes, perfume, carpet. These souvenirs we take it from Philippines, everywhere you go.
Yeah.
But when anyone visit Egypt, search for a nice souvenirs representing our country, this is the best. Also in Egypt we have 2 paper, original and street quality. How to know the difference between both of them? If you see vertical and horizontal, this is a good paper, original. Street, you see only one, all vertical or horizontal. Original, you can roll easily. Street, if you roll, damaged and the cracks. Color for original, done by hand. Street is print, done by machine. Each paint here has a story, has a meaning, like this nice form. This form, brother, we call it cartouche. It means long life, because it has no end and no beginning. In ancient Egyptian, they used the cartouche for writing names. But in ancient Egyptian, only king and the queen write the names in cartouche. Today, we can do the same idea. We can write any person name in ancient Egyptian language, hieroglyphic. This is different from English, Arabic, French, because hieroglyphic is paint. So it needs artist. Here, there is a very professional artist. By using the gold, he can write any person. For example, this is Mark, M-A-R-K. Laura, L-A-U-R-A. Each letter in English has a symbol in hieroglyphics. We have here a paint. If anyone married, we have something we can write husband name, wife name, marriage date. We have for boyfriend and the girlfriend, son and the mother, mother and the daughter, 2 sisters. The best one that your friend or your colleagues interested to get it, family tree. And they put all family members, like family name, father, mother, brother, sister. Immediately in gold, names can be there. Now, brothers, I give you a free time to see the stuff. If anyone would like to get any paint of those as a great, as a special souvenirs from Egypt, this stuff came without glass. We can roll it up, put it in a tube to be easy, you can carry it. Guarantee you take it from place that this is original hand painted colors. We have 2 numbers for each paint. First is the model, second is price in our currency, Egyptian money. Here you can pay Egyptian, dollars, euro, credit card, MasterCard. Writing names costs you 100 Egyptian pound plus price of the paint. Each paint of those, like big sizes, we have medium size, we have it also in a small size. Before you look, there is a welcome drink here, like tea, coffee, hibiscus, lemon juice. What would you like to drink? This is a free welcome drink.
Coffee.
I think coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Same coffee?
I will pretend it.
Yes. Coffee, you need some sugar on it in the milk?
Yes.
So sugar
Black.
and milk. No?
No sugar.
No sugar.
No anything.
Black.
Black.
So black. You like Egyptian?
Yeah.
This how much in dollar if you...
In dollars, with two names, like a $63.
Oh, $3.
Yeah, 63 dollars.
Oh, like that
With the names. We have with two names, three names, four names, five names, six names, according to the family. Only one names, it can be cheap, less in price, like a $33 or $35. Yes. But let me show you the Philippine section about the religious art. Look at this religious art. What are these brothers?
The Last Supper.
See when you switch it off the light. It's gonna be changed
okay.
with crucifixions. Turn it on the light.
What do you call this?
This is glue on the dark.
Glue on the-
Crucifixion.
Crucifixion.
The crucifixion.
Okay.
Any paint in this room, big one, 40% discount. A small size, 20% discount. Any paint glue on the dark. And Last Supper, for example, this is the big size of it. We have medium size, we have a small size, and we have the smallest. So we have 4 sizes from each one. This is the one for family. If you're interested to write all members of the family on the family tree, become Nefertiti. It changed to be Nefertiti. The motherhood. But to charge more to see it clearly. This is if anyone married, the husband and wife one, become Pyramid and the Sphinx. Pyramid, Sphinx, King Tut. The dolphin glue with the same. Glue with the same design. Just if you're interested on anything, you glue on the back. Yes.
Isa biyahe ni Edward dito sa video. Ito doon ka.
So tayo yung... Paano yan?
This is the names section. If you like to do one, if you like to write 2 names, we have 3, we have 5, we have 6.
Mga kaibigan ko.
We have 4. And also when you do the names, this is something also nice to know the meaning of the names. Like what's your name, brother?
J.
Can you spell?
J.
J, you are powerful,
A.
protective,
Y.
truthful,
M.
wise,
A.
protective,
R.
big mouth. Talk too much. Guys, that's the meaning.
Mark. B.
B, active,
A.
protective,
C.
C, hospitable,
H.
loyal. This is the meaning.
W, sir.
W, that means you are sociable,
E.
truthful,
I.
truthful,
M.
wise,
A.
protective,
R.
are same. S means you are helpful, protective, you are wise. So if you put any names, you will get a paper like this with what does each letter mean. And the artist who painted the names, he make it in gold, and the black it will be in a black. We can make it in ancient Egyptian and the English as well.
How much is the six?
This is here the one with 6 names. It can be like a 65 US dollars with writing names.
Okay. Okay.
This is just 2 names, 6 names, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
We have 7 and 8, but bigger, big size. Capital letters.
Okay, sir.